Well, many people don't even want to talk because many people say that they've been talking for the last many years and they feel that nothing has been done. They feel that even though their stories have been relayed to the world has not done anything for them, anything tangible. So they're not interested in giving interviews. They're interested in protecting their children. They're interested in a future for their children. The extent of tragedy here is such that you hardly find anyone in Syria who is not affected by this. Earlier this morning, for example, my producer Hassan Arbar, he got the news that one of his relatives, a lady in her 30s, she died and her husband was injured while they were trying to leave western Aleppo to move to a safer place. The Assad regime hit the convoy of civilians that was trying to move to a safer place. Many of these people, for them, they had been internally displaced 2 or 3 times. And they face an uncertain future. So really what the Syrians want is something tangible. They want action. They want their lives to change.